da, 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 da. What do we have here? Little unboxing. It's a smartwatch. Ooh, that's our new smartwatch. And let me tell you something. I'm down for anything that's smarter than me. Anything that can make my life a little bit easier. Look how fantastic she is. Ooh, and she's in rose gold. You know what I love about our smartwatches? It's just a few fun facts. One, it is a heart rate monitor. So good for me because when I purchase handbags, my heart rate tends to go up a little bit. And then it's GPS. What's better than that? I need GPS. I can get lost going around the block. Oh my gosh, guys, the heart rate monitor, the GPS, there's so many other functions. Quick, go into the store and get yours today. She's lovely.